Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread yourself. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Precise measurements are key for a successful loaf. Ensure your water is between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit to properly activate the yeast, which is vital for a good rise. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Then, gradually pour in the warm water and yeast mixture, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes. This crucial step develops the gluten, giving your bread its wonderful texture and chewiness. After kneading, it's time for the first proof. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours. It should approximately double in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release air, then turn it out. Now, carefully shape your dough into your preferred loaf, whether it's a round boule or a classic rectangular shape. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for: baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your shaped loaf into the hot oven and bake for 25 to 35 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Once baked, transfer your delicious bread to a wire rack and let it cool completely for at least 1 hour before slicing and enjoying. Patience is key for the best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.